Hello, I'm Dr. Andy Letcher. I'm an oral maxillofacial surgeon. There's a lot of competition out there for full arch implants, and I wanted to go through and tell you what separates us from the competition and what we have to offer here. What we've developed for you is a lab in the heart of our oral surgery practice. So we've developed this awesome process. I think it's one of the best in the US, or because we have this lab here for you, you come in and in one appointment, we have your surgery you have done, you get your implants placed, the lab designs your teeth, they're milled with some great materials. My lab tech and I work hand in hand from start to finish, and all right here. Our lab utilizes a milling process to make the temporary teeth. For single teeth, it's made in just minutes. For a whole arch set of teeth, it takes a few hours. But the beauty of this is custom designed to fit your mouth, and it's also high strength. A big benefit to having the lab here is we can collaborate to design your teeth or your bridge so they not only look great, so they're easy for you to clean, because one of the goals is to make these teeth that we're fabricating last your whole lifetime. So another big benefit we provide is, since I'm an oral maxillofacial surgeon, we have a surgery facility. We literally, when we do your surgery, can put you to sleep. Usually we put you all the way to sleep. If you're elderly, we have an anesthesiologist for your sleep, sitting still, which patients love because you truly don't feel anything. And there's a secondary benefit that us as a surgeon, or we as a team, can do really high quality work. You should definitely check us out. We have a process, I think, that is built and designed to benefit you for efficiency, and it's a pretty great process.